Me dey higher than them and feet. And when me beg people in the district, them bash me so. Never come on the road come beg something. You can't buy no slipper and you can't buy no clothes, nothing.
So the slippers they are done on your foot now?
I need it. See the nail.
Oh, alright then. So you definitely need one slippers then. You see? So it ain't good then. So yes, at least you say, tell me, you know, if I eat you say we are put it on, you know.
God bless you. Bless you for
No, not yet. I still I try to work out something for you, see me, you don't know.
Thanks for everything you do for me. Thank you for everything you do for me.
Before we start this video, I want to give a big, huge shout out to the Virgin Squad. Then I will give a big shout out to every single person who liked, commented and shared the video that I posted before this. For everybody who sent a message to say, yo, good job, or sent a message to say, yo, I'm gonna help, or give money, who give clothing, who give food stuff, who even come tell me say, yo, we help you with certain stuff. Like even the person we are filming this right now, Rolly, or even my next friend who film me. I want to give a big shout out to Uno because Uno make me feel like me one of the happiest YouTubers on the planet. Here's why. You guys help me to become a blessing to somebody. You help me to do something outside of just entertainment. You help me to do something huge. The world never see this on this type of scale. We're there a change life like in a Jamaica. I always watch videos where people are change lives overseas. YouTubers will do that, charity this and that. But as I tell you, when you help one, you don't know how far that can go. And today, this video I'm going to show the result of me taking the time out to help a person, and then you guys came in and it just knock everything out the park. We do it, Virgin Squad. We do something, we accomplish something. But now like a long time I feel this good vibes to something. So you don't know, as I say, so when it comes to this video, when you see the title already, you know I feel like because I'm going to accept it like. But if that there way you can contribute back to me, leave a like, leave a comment, you see me? And we just want to know, say people still contribute even as we speak. Remember if you knock me upon the WhatsApp, knock me email if you want, you know? And remember me, I see if you buy a camera too, if you want to donate to me, nothing wrong with that. PayPal coming soon, everything in the description. Let's start the video, I'm happy. Razablade TV, entertainment in 3D. Good evening. Alright. Sorry if I couldn't stay like here. More tea for her though. She did on the vlog, guess what me say? She just donated something for Suzette. You see me, some food stuff for Suzette, you see me? Be a bag. No, I can't see one of the bag. Thanks for oh, may I get the bag too? Yeah. I'm gonna go, I don't want cat man for camera. Thank you for dedicating to the cause, cause I don't know. It's good to know someone support me by, you know, helping me to support somebody. So I'm glad for that.
Nice lady, take care of yourself, yeah?
That's nice. That's keep up the good work. It's great. You do it. All right.
Come on. Go on. the world could have easily be a better place, you know? But if me wait for you, and you watch me, and the next person watch we, the world not gonna change. The world have to change, starting with we, individually. See? So right now I'm there, value mart, but they put down the stuff them over here, I collect some money for give her, and me about to do that right now, so I take out the bags them and give her, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, so what going?
Yeah.
Yeah, right. Why? Long time I don't check in.
I man, I believe Peter, that's why I'm there, so I'm there, I'll come.
Oh, I man, I dig it for you.
Yeah.
So wait, so tell me how that go now, how it go?
He might say 25, so I said, money back up.
25,000 for the game? Jesus Christ.
But I just get house free house people.
Oh, so them get house free, but
Good body for you have to find out the kid.
25,000 for the gift?
Fancy, look at them.
I don't know if I dig them things there still. I know.
I did help, not you.
I help, I really know. I have them the experience there. So now right, I'm more like the baby size them, like more if we have them right down, because some people say them want the baby sizes. No, not just the baby. Yeah. Oh, give me this. Give me it.
Big one is
Eh?
Big one is size 10.
Ta? The big one where? The big one where? 10. Then I want you give me all the size and things, so I have some food stuff for you and clothes and a little change same way, see me? Yeah. So I can next one come meet them at church. Oh, I forgot to say you put them at church for Saturday. And what you say about the big one? Yeah, say you know to follow you?
So come in with that, but you have to pack him.
But you don't tell me black out in face?
You tell him.
Man thing. So wait, nobody help you otherwise? Like to what? Because some people want your numbers in some way, like post a number and they can call you directly. Why you bad me? Why you bad me? Why you bad me? Why you bad me? Go on to mommy. So wait, you know I go to mommy again?
Come on.
You know I go to her? What?
Titi.
Well, like you know what, Titi, go on. Alright, walk for me. Walk for me. Walk for me.
Walk.
Walk.
Yeah, walk. Let him go and can walk.
You can walk?
Yeah, walk.
Walk. Yeah, cool. Walk for me. She not go job.
No.
No, come on.
Yeah, walk a while again.
Come on. Walk for me. Walk for me.
Walk.
Walk for me. Walk for me.
Let him walk by himself. So what pattern you say?
She go on like say me a fi drag her. Alright, you prove to me here. Come. Yeah, go. Yeah man, so as me say, food stuff there that them, little clothes there that them, and if people they get better sizes, if we get the exact size that they need, we will get more clothes. And people still want to help more, so this is just what I can do for now. And me have to thank you whole Razablade TV.
Thanks Razablade TV who support me.
Everybody for Razablade TV, isn't
Thank you very much.
Isn't it? So
Thank you for all the goodies.
isn't it? So hopefully I can meet your son them and the little one day, is it? Yeah, man. So you need help to carry him and you got to deal with the same way or what? What are your plans for the day?
5 pounds.
And the little pocket change, don't forget it.
Yeah.
Like you up tight, don't make nobody take it from you.
Thanks.
Okay. So you should start pull up right. Who tell you to start pull up?
Thanks to Father God for your name again.
Jason.
Thanks for Jason.
Okay.
Thanks for everything who sponsor me.
So.
Thank Father God for everything.
See enough good people out the same way?
Same way.
Thanks.
So, but how you say about the pit thing, how that I go?
Man say I want 25,000 feet. Man digging, start digging now.
So,
We are giving the credit when we can find it.
to give. I'm pretty important still, man, not lie.
I food for the poor and give me free house.
Oh, food for oh, you want free house. Oh, so which part you live right now?
One of my cousins give me one place, but the place a leak.
Oh, but say you have light and water?
Yeah.
Oh.
But I'm not going to tell it now.
Oh, June. Oh. Well, oh, so that's why the pity all important anyway, no?
Yeah.
Well, as I say, still, like, a few more people promise, like, clothes stuff and stuff. So when I go out of clothes for Christmas, I'm probably a lot more food stuff too. So when we get to them, well, when them get to me get to you, and I still will give them your number, like you call them and thing, or them call you. Yes, so that's all I can do for right now, you see. Let me hug her. Let me take her. Go. You go on.
Thank you very much.
You know I'm a hug mommy. 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 You love take out my earphone too much. You go on.
Next day I started vlogging. Which channel name?
Sipping bubbles.
Yeah, man. Oh, the little head there is enough. So people, we are conclude this section of the video. We actually do the first part and then we never know what will happen out it and then see me come and do a follow up. So anybody want to get to her, you don't know, link me for my number, my email, and thanks to those people who show the concern, you see me, because you know, if you help one, it's still a change, you see me, you still do something good, you see me I say. And just stay tuned, as me say, you don't have to click like because I want me 1,000 likes already, but just click like if you want to use a way to support me. Or just leave a comment, you see me, and suggestion, and stay tuned for your next video, you see me.